Transaction Instruction Video, D-Launchpad. Excited to introduce you to the D-ecosystem community, the ultimate IDO Launchpad that supports 3 different networks including ETH, BSC, and Polygon. This video will briefly describe the step-by-step process of transactions in 3 different networks using a Metamask wallet. Tap on the link for a transaction, https://launchpad.decosystem.io/. Click on Connect Wallet and choose your appropriate wallet. Here, I have chosen Metamask Wallet. Connect your wallet with your D-Launchpad. Now, select the appropriate network from the 3 different networks such as ETH, BSC, and Polygon. Here I have chosen Purchase by using ETH network. Then select the respective coin ETH or USDT that you are going to spend. Here I have selected ETH because I have chosen Ethereum network. Now provide the ETH numbers I wish to spend in the amount you spend. Input box and the respective DCX coin will be shown in amount you buy. After entering all the necessary details, click on Buy. Your Metamask wallet will open. Check the given details are correct and click Confirm. Your patience is needed here, because it may take a few seconds to confirm the transaction on the network. Sit back and relax till you get pop-up. Once the transaction is over, you will get the transaction confirmed message, and in this dialog box, your hash ID will be shown. You can check the details of the transaction by clicking the hash ID, then click OK. To know the details of the transaction, click on the Transactions tab. A window will be opened with 3 different networks. Here, I made a transaction with ETH, so let me click on ETH network. The transaction list will open and click on your recent transaction. A window will show your successful transaction details. Similarly, to know the transaction details of your account, tap on the link https://mainnetexplorer.decosystem.io/ and enter your address in the search bar. The transaction details window will display the ETH amount you spend and the DCX coin you gained along with the wallet address. Also, the time taken for the transaction will be shown. Go to dChain to explore the number of coins and transactions towards your wallet. And here you are, you have gained DCX coins for the corresponding other network coins. This process will be the same for the other networks too. Do occupy this golden opportunity and become a part of the D-ecosystem community. dChain network details. Network name. dChain Mainnet. Network URL. https://mainnetcoin.decosystem.io. Chain ID 5272. Currency symbol DCX. Block Explorer URL https://mainnetexplorer.decosystem.io.